Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Yoshinoya beef. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of thinly sliced beef, preferably chuck or ribeye, and 1 large onion. For the sauce, prepare 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of mirin, 1/4 cup of sake, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the signature sauce that gives Yoshinoya beef its distinct taste. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of mirin, and 1/4 cup of sake. Stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar until it fully dissolves. This balanced blend of sweet and savory flavors is crucial for an authentic experience. Next, we cook the main components. Heat a large skillet or pan over medium-high heat. Sauté your thinly sliced onion until it softens, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add the thinly sliced beef, cooking it quickly until it's just browned. Pour the prepared sauce over everything and simmer for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade Yoshinoya beef bowl. Spoon the savory beef and onion mixture generously over a warm bed of freshly steamed white rice. For an authentic touch, garnish with some vibrant pickled ginger and a sprinkle of fresh, chopped green onions. This quick and satisfying meal is perfect for any day of the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.